Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakanhuan Menteri Jong Sarkar Jela, Kabalasyong, Jingelang, Hakakan Rutrik Mentau Bena Jemang, Arajarkat Kendai. Kalasyam ya karai bantau no, da ka Farmers Commission, kaban pen, ya ka jing bat ya ka bahakamiat jong kinong rep, haka jela Meghalaya borok kawai, kabalong ro kat kum ka jing terwa jong katnan, kabakmi ikam rep haka jela. Usambot Menteri Rang Ba ka jela uba Preston Tensong, haka jekran bakinong patai kubor, hadin ka jelang. Ulai tu, bakane ka jelang kala menjeru, bansya ya katnat transport, bakan tong nreungot ki enforcement inspector, bat katsan ngot ki enforcement check guard, leng ba ka contract basis. Bat kawai pat bantong yo mission director, leng ba ka contract basis hi na ka banta sisnam, ha ka State Resource Center for Women, bat kiwe kirai.
The last agenda is the department, agriculture department has prepared a cabinet memo relating to the draft Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission, or I should say Farmers Commission. So the cabinet has discussed all details about all this. I think you remember correctly, last year government has organized first time ever from its statehood, the Farmers Parliament. We call it Farmers Parliament. I think you remember correctly that, I don't know which one was that, but I remember inauguration part was done by Honorable Chief Minister, and then I was there in the concluding part. So ultimately, the Farmers Parliament that day, they passed a resolution, and the resolution is number 1, requesting the government to have a Farmers Commission, and number 2, to also kindly declare at least 1 year as a farmer, what do you call it? Year of the farmer. Year of the farmer. In fact, they proposed that this year, 2019, should be the year of the farmer. But ultimately, I would like to tell you here, it is not possible because we were already late. So we would like to prepare this maybe for the next year, that 2020, maybe, it is not finalized yet, but maybe the proposal made by the Farmers Parliament can be considered by the government. So therefore, this commission is very, very important. Well, we need to have, because all these years we don't have Farmers Commission, and by having Farmers Commission, the terms of reference and all the details, the rules, will be in place very shortly, and we will have the full-fledged body of this commission, and this commission will facilitate the farmers. It will be a platform for the farmers to submit any kind of proposal from their side, and then the commission will sit down with them from time to time, and along with the experts from different part of India, can be also invited sometimes, and then ultimately they will make a recommendation to the state government, and state government will respond positively according to this proposal. So therefore, the cabinet again has approved the proposal of having a new commission, which is known as Farmers Commission in the state of Meghalaya. The Department of Transport, which was requesting the cabinet to kindly consider the proposal of allowing Transport Department for engaging on contractual basis of 6th enforcement inspector and 15 enforcement checker on contractual basis in view of the workload that the transport department has faced these days, these years. So ultimately, the proposal submitted by the concerned department is
How many posts?
six posts of inspector and enforcement inspector, and then 15 posts of 15 posts of enforcement checkers, enforcement checkers, and ultimately the cabinet has approved the proposal made by the transport department.